500 zero-day vulnerabilities, hidden for decades. Every scanner missed them, every forcer failed. One AI found them all, by simply reading the code. This is Claude Code Security. Let me show you why it changes everything. You run SonarQube, you run SNCC. You watch every check turn green. SAST scan, passed. Dependency audit, passed. Secret detection, passed. Your pipeline is clean, your dashboard is green, you ship with confidence. But here's the thing. Every single one of those tools is looking for bugs it already knows about. Pattern matching, rule databases, known CVEs. They're searching a dictionary for words that aren't in the dictionary. And the bugs that actually destroy companies? They're the ones no rule has ever been written for. Let me show you exactly what I mean. On one side, you have traditional security scanners. They work like this. Take a massive database of known vulnerability patterns, scan your code line by line, and flag anything that matches. It's fast, it's automated, and it's fundamentally limited. Because here's what they can't do. They can't trace data flow across 12 files to spot a race condition. They can't understand that a function is safe in one context but deadly in another. They can't reason about an algorithm to find an edge case the author never considered. Between known bugs and all bugs, there's a massive gap. Logic flaws, business logic errors, algorithm edge cases. And that gap is exactly where attackers live. Earlier this month, Anthropic did something no one expected. They pointed Claude Opus 4.6 at production open source codebases. No special prompts, no custom security tooling, no predefined rules. Just an AI that reads and reasons about code the way a human security researcher would. The result? Over 500 zero-day vulnerabilities. In code that had been reviewed by experts for years. In projects that had been fussed for millions of CPU hours. Bugs that had been hiding in plain sight for decades. Not in obscure hobby projects. In Ghostscript, which processes PDFs in millions of enterprise systems. In OpenSC, which handles smart card security for governments and banks. In CGIF, a library used across the internet. Fuzzers had millions of CPU hours. Claude had a conversation. Let me walk you through one of these discoveries, because the method is what makes this groundbreaking. Claude didn't just scan Ghostscript's source code. It read the git commit history. It found a commit that fixed a stack bounce check in type 1 charstring font handling. Then it asked a question no automated tool would ask. Did the developers fix this bug everywhere, or just in one place? Claude traced the code and found a completely separate function that called the same vulnerable logic, same bug, different code path, unfixed. The developers patched one entrance but missed another. And because this second path was only reachable through a specific sequence of font operations, no fuzzer ever triggered it. Claude found it through reasoning. But that's not the only way Claude finds bugs. In OpenSC, the smart card security library, Claude analyzed string operations. It found calls to strcat and strrchr that concatenated file paths without any length validation. A classic buffer overflow pattern, but one that required understanding how the URL parsing context interacted with the file system layer across multiple functions. No single line was obviously wrong. The vulnerability lived in the relationship between components. Then there's CGIF. This one is remarkable. Claude found a heap buffer overflow in a GIF processing library by understanding the LZW compression algorithm at a conceptual level. It reasoned that when the compression dictionary saturates and resets, the output can exceed the buffer size the code assumed was safe. This requires actual algorithmic understanding. It's the kind of bug that coverage-guided fuzzers can't reach, because the vulnerable code path requires a very particular sequence of dictionary states. Now I know what you're thinking. AI finding bugs sounds great, but how do you trust the results? False positives are already the bane of every security team. This is where Claude Code Security gets serious. Every finding goes through multi-stage self-verification. First, Claude identifies a potential vulnerability. Then it re-examines the finding. Then it actively tries to disprove its own conclusion. Can it construct a proof that this isn't actually exploitable? If it can't disprove it, the finding moves forward with a severity rating and a confidence score. And here's the critical part. Nothing deploys without human approval. Claude suggests targeted patches. Your team reviews them. 0 auto-deployed fixes. The AI finds the bugs. Humans make the decisions. So how do you actually use this? Claude Code Security is built directly into Claude Code on the web. Your team scans code bases and reviews findings in an integrated security dashboard. Every finding shows the vulnerability type, severity level, confidence rating, and a suggested fix. but it gets better. There's a GitHub action you can drop into any repository. A few lines of YAML and every pull request gets automatically scanned for security vulnerabilities. Diff-aware analysis, line-level PR comments. 10 vulnerability categories, from injection attacks to business logic flaws. It's not just a scanner, it's a security researcher embedded in your CI/CD pipeline. And for developers who use Claude Code directly, there's a / command. Type / security review and get instant security analysis, right where you write code. Shift left doesn't get more left than that. Here's the reality we need to face. AI coding assistants are writing more code than ever before. The attack surface is expanding at a pace human security teams simply cannot match. Every AI-generated function, every auto-completed block, every copilot suggestion is a potential vulnerability that needs review. We don't just need faster scanners, we need security tools that actually think. Tools that reason about code the way attackers do. Claude Code Security is that tool. It's AI-powered defense for an AI-powered world. For an audio code base has bugs that no tool has ever found. Now there's one that can. Claude Code Security is available now as a limited research preview for enterprise and team customers. And if you maintain an open source project, you get expedited access for free. Check the link in the description to apply. Hit subscribe for more deep dives on the tools reshaping software development. And drop a comment telling me, how many hidden bugs do you think are in your code base right now?